Alright, today in class we talked about functions, tables, and graphs. That's continuing with our topic of domain and range. You're being asked to you'll be given a function, which is like a rule. In this case, it's the absolute value of x. It stands for absolute value. And the absolute value means how far away from zero something is. Simpler, it means you're just really taking something that's positive. If it's negative, it becomes positive. If it's positive, it becomes positive. So you're given the rule, f of x equals the absolute value of x plus 2, and you're given a domain, which is your x, of 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you're being asked to substitute in for x each of the values. So, the absolute value of x plus 2, in place of x, you're going to put in your first value, which is 0. That's your independent variable. And your dependent variable is the y, which is what you get once you plug it in. 0 plus 2 is 2. In place of x, you put in a 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. In place of x, putting in a 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. And the absolute value of x plus 2, take out the x and substitute in a 3. 3 plus 2, and you get a 5. And the last one, the absolute value of x plus 2, take out the x and put in a 4, and 4 plus 2 is 6. The last part I'm asking to do is to graph it, just because we need practice in graphing. Talking about domain and range. So take your table and graph those points. Your points are, this is from the work we did in class today. 0 and 2, there's our first point. 1 and 3. 2 and 4, 3 and 5. Sorry about that. 3 and 5, and 4 and 6. A few things. We can identify a y-intercept from this. Another word for y-intercept is our initial condition. Those are all important concepts in this class. The y-intercept, or the initial condition of y-intercept in this case is 2, because it crosses the y at 2. If we were to continue this pattern, you can continue this pattern and see where it sort of goes. If I continue this pattern, we would see that the x-intercept, or the 0, is somewhere around here, probably around -2.